Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix Spotify playing random songs. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to fix Spotify playing random songs, the first thing that you can do is open up your App Store. And once you're here, on the search bar, type in Spotify. Right? And here, once it loads, just tap on the Spotify app to view it in full size, right? As you can see, once it was out, it was showing an open button, but once I'm in, it is showing an update button. So make sure to do this step as well, right? And once you do that, make sure if there is an update button, then just tap on the update button to update the app, because that might be a glitch causing by the older version of the Spotify, right? And once you tap on update, and then go back and then try again. And if that doesn't fix the issue, what you can do is go to the settings and then scroll down until you find general, right? And once you tap on general, here you'll see an option that says iPhone storage, right? Simply tap on that, and once you're here, it will take time to load according to how much apps that are presented in your phone, right? And once it loads, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find the Spotify app. So that might be Spotify, right? Now once you have found that, simply tap on it, and on tapping you'll get these two options, right? That is Offload App and Delete App. Now simply tap on Offload App and then tap on Offload App once again to begin the process. And now what this does is it fixes the bugs and clears the caches that might be causing the problem for the Spotify to play random songs, right? And once the process is complete, instead of Offload App, you'll get an option that says Reinstall App, right? Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on Reinstall App, and once the process is complete, all you gotta do is just force close all the app and then try again, and your problem should be fixed. And that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.